Niaje wase, so leo niko na the Camon 40 Pro from Tecno. This guy sent over the Camon 40 Pro. Na leo wacha tuangalie some features that I like about this device. So first up, we have the flash snap feature. This feature freezes the motion. So imagine umeenda swimo ama uko mahali wase wanaruka and you want to capture that moment. All you have to do is chukua your Camon 40 Pro, itoe kwa mfuko ama mahali utakuwa umeiweka, double tap the AI button, unaipata on the left side of the phone. Ukidouble tap it, reopen the camera interface. So hapo ndio utapata flash snap feature. Ukidouble tap, immediately it take you there. I will need kufinya anything else. Ikikupeleka hapo, all you have to do is point your device to the person jumping, or rather to the person, or rather the motion that is happening on the ground, and it will automatically take the photo for you. So haina haja ya vitu mingi. That feature helps you a lot to do everything at once. Away from the camera app, sasa turudi side ya AI. Remember, even flash snap is part of AI, but the assistant is called Ella. This allows you to do some of the features kina Google Assistant tufanya, but built in into the Tecno phone. And then we have some other features built into the phone, like the AI call summarize, we have AI eraser on the phone, we have AI on the side of the portrait camera of the phone. If you record your audios on the phone, you can also summarize them into smaller notes for it to give you maybe a summary of a big meeting that you've been to. So unapata smaller versions of what you talked during the meeting. Tecno wanasema their phone is IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistant. Now this thing we've tested here and there. Tumeirusha kwa maji, we've put it on moving water, and it's survived all that. After that, remember, usicharge simu sayo. Ipe time kidogo after umeiweka kwa maji. At least dry out ports. Otherwise, utajipata ume short circuit your phone. But also, don't put it on salty water. Yeah, that's it from me today. Tupatane pale kwa full review. But for now,